Hello, my precious friends. I hope that the light of hope is bright in your heart. Some of you asked me about the prices of daily foods such as bread, vegetables, dairy products, groceries, etc. First of all, I have a suggestion for you. If you plan to travel to Iran, it's better to buy from chain or neighborhood market because the prices of hyper or luxury markets are a bit irrationally high. So I'm gonna compare the prices of buying daily consumer goods in Iran in both chain markets such as کوروش، جامبو، شهروند in Tehran, شهرما in Mashhad with hyper or luxury markets. Stay with me until the end of this video. If you aren't yet a member of my channel, please subscribe and don't forget the bell, like and comment. Were for our neighborhood Sadaf. If you like this video, please share with friends and leave a comment and like. Until the next video, God bless.